Hi, my name's Letty and I'm from the county of Hertfordshire in England. Very good friend of mine searched online, looked at a couple. I do believe he spoke to Dr. Popovich and decided he was the one he wanted to go with. He came in, had his treatment, came home, showed us his teeth and we went, yes, that's what I want. I've actually had my whole mouth done. I've had all of my teeth crowned, bridged and implants. Very professional, articulate, all the staff speak English and are very, very friendly. I've felt very comfortable my whole visit here. Again, the service is excellent. I felt very safe and comfortable in their hands and my teeth are perfect.